I go, well, what chemicals should the mind release? Well, I say, well, I was a cell biologist, but we are all, every one of us, self-biologists. And we are creating our biology. As it shows, the brain is creating the culture medium, the blood, and the culture medium is being used to feed the 50 trillion cells in your body. I say, well, what's relevant? I say this, you open your eyes, you see someone you love. Oh, when you see someone you love, what kind of chemicals go into blood? Dopamine, oxytocin, vasopressin, growth hormone. I say, why are those chemicals relevant? I can tell you a simple fact. If I take those chemicals, add them to my plastic petri dish of cells, the cells grow exuberantly well. I say, isn't that interesting? When people fall in love, they're so healthy they glow. Why is that? And the answer is the chemistry in their body is fulfilling the fullest growth potential of your cells in love. I say, well, what about the same person? They open their eyes, but they don't see someone they love. They see something that scares them. I say, oh, fear, that releases a completely different set of chemicals. When you're experiencing or perceiving, interpreting fear, you release stress hormones and inflammatory agents. I say, why relevant? I say, take the stress hormones, inflammatory agents, add them to the petri dish and plastic petri dish with cells, and guess what? The cells stop growing. And that's why fear kills. It's an effort of the system to conserve energy. So don't grow if you have to run away from the tiger. Stop growing and use that energy for escape. Well, it was only meant in history to run away from the saber-toothed tiger. Meaning, okay, you got 20 minutes, scare the hell out of you, and you get away from that tiger, and then guess what? You relax and you go back into growth again. But we don't have that in our world today. We have 24/7, 365 stress. That means every day you read the paper, you watch the TV, you do whatever you're doing. What are you doing? Releasing stress hormones into your body. From your what? Interpretation. Same body, you could look at something and be in love and have a completely different vision. And all of a sudden you realize you were the master, but we have let other people control our interpretations. And as a result, their interpretations control our lives. And we have been disempowered by that.